안녕하세요, K-Flash fam. Ever watch a K-drama and wish you could express pure joy and excitement with the same authentic flair as your favorite characters? Or maybe you've heard your K-pop bias scream and wanted to know exactly what it means and how to use it. Today, we're unlocking 9 essential Korean phrases to express happiness and excitement, making you sound less like a textbook and more like a true native. Let's kick things off with some versatile phrases for when you just feel good, or you genuinely approve of something. These are your go-to expressions for everyday happiness. I really like it. / it's so good. Use this when you genuinely enjoy an experience, a meal, or find something very pleasing. It expresses strong positive sentiment.
너무 좋아요.
Now you try.
너무 좋아요.
Formal.
너무 좋아요.
Casual.
너무 좋아. 너무 좋아해.
Watch your pronunciation. The jin-jja often becomes silent or merges with the following vowel sound, making it sound closer to jja rather than a hard jo-ha-yo. Relax your throat. In K-drama, weightlifting fairy Kim Bok-ju's 1e5 at 8:30, Bok-ju exclaims, after eating a particularly good meal. I'm happy. A direct and sincere way to state your emotional state of happiness. Use it for overall contentment or specific joyous moments.
행복해요.
Now you try.
행복해요.
Formal.
행복해요.
Casual.
행복해. haeng-BOK-hae-yo.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
오늘 진짜 행복해요. 무슨 좋은 일 있어요? 네, 승진했어요.
Watch your pronunciation. The vowel in haeng-BOK is a single, open S sound, similar to bed in English, not I. Ensure your mouth is wide enough. I'm so happy. An intensified version of expressing an overwhelming sense of happiness or joy. Perfect for truly significant moments.
너무 행복해요.
Now you try.
너무 행복해요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is they would reply.
축하해요.
Quick review. Do you remember all 3?
너무 좋아요. 행복해요. 너무 행복해요.
Sometimes happiness comes from external events, good news, exciting plans, or amazing experiences. These phrases are perfect for reacting with genuine enthusiasm. I'm really excited. / this is really fun. Use this to express excitement about an upcoming event, or to describe an experience that is truly enjoyable and thrilling in the moment.
진짜 신나요.
Now you try.
진짜 신나요.
Formal.
진짜 신나요.
Casual.
진짜 신나. jin-jja 신나.
Watch your pronunciation. The shin-NA-yo is pronounced as a soft sh sound, similar to she in English, not a hard s sound. Pay attention to the vowel that follows. Awesome. / amazing. / jackpot. A super common, informal exclamation of surprise, amazement, or delight at something incredibly good, shocking, or impressive.
대박.
Now you try.
대박.
Formal.
대박.
Casual.
정말 대단해요. 정말 대단해요. Slightly more formal equivalent. That's really amazing.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
제가 1등 당첨됐어요. 대박. 진짜. 대박이다. 네, 믿기지 않아요.
Watch your pronunciation. The vowel in, daebok, is an open S sound, like air without the R. Avoid making it sound like daebok. In K-drama, Goblin S1E4 at 35:00, Ji-eun-tak exclaims, when she sees Kim Shin's incredible powers. It's the best. / you're the best. Use this to express that something or someone is superior, excellent, or the absolute best. Highly versatile for praising people, food, or experiences.
최고예요.
Now you try.
최고예요.
Formal.
최고예요.
Casual.
최고야. 최고야.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is. Watch your pronunciation. The vowel in, choego, is a diphthong that sounds like we in English, as in wet. Many learners simplify it to O or E. Practice combining the O and I sounds quickly. They would reply.
감사합니다.
Quick review. Do you remember all 6?
너무 좋아요. 행복해요. 너무 행복해요. 진짜 신나요. 대박. 최고예요.
Happiness isn't just about the present, it's also about the future. These phrases help you convey that heart-pounding anticipation and pure thrill for what's to come. I'm looking forward to it. / I'm excited. Expresses eager anticipation for an upcoming event, meeting, or experience. It's a feeling of positive expectation.
기대돼요.
Now you try.
기대돼요.
Formal.
기대돼요.
Casual.
기대돼. 지아이대뒤.
Watch your pronunciation. The vowel in, gidaeyo, should sound like waz in wedding. It's a complex vowel that combines and. Practice saying oa quickly. My heart is pounding. / my heart flutters. A vivid and dramatic expression of intense excitement, nervousness, or romantic flutter. Often used in highly emotional or thrilling situations.
심장이 두근거려요.
Now you try.
심장이 두근거려요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is. In conversation.
드디어 그 사람을 만나요. 심장이 두근거려요. 와, 긴장되겠다. 잘해봐. 네, 고마워요.
I can't stop smiling. / I can't stop laughing. A descriptive way to express extreme happiness or joy, where the feeling is so strong it physically manifests as continuous smiling or laughter.
웃음이 멈추질 않아요.
Now you try.
웃음이 멈추질 않아요.
Formal.
웃음이 멈추질 않아요.
Casual.
웃음이 멈추질 않아. USUMI 미멈추질 않아.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is. Watch your pronunciation. The double N, USEUM, is a tense, unaspirated S sound, similar to SS and hiss but with more tension. It's sharper and stronger than a single. They would reply.
정말 기쁜가 봐요.
In K-drama, Business Proposal S1E12 at 1 hour and 5 minutes, Hari says as she's incredibly happy with Taemu. Quick quiz. Imagine your K-pop bias just announced a surprise concert. How would you express your extreme excitement, saying, "My heart is pounding"? The answer is Shim-NA-yo dugunji-oreo-yo. Here's everything you learned today. And that's a wrap on expressing happiness and excitement like a K-drama pro. You've just learned 9 amazing phrases to elevate your Korean emotional vocabulary. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to KoreanFlashX for more engaging lessons, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.